This is cabin B632 on P&O Azura. This is our last day. We've been here for 2 weeks, so I thought I'd do a quick tour. You come in the door here, and then to your right you have the wardrobe area with changing area, life jackets on the top shelf. The wooden hangers were already here. We asked for extras because we had a lot of dresses to hang up. We have a cupboard with shelves. The safe that's free to use. You just put your own PIN number in. Laundry bag, luggage mat, and the shelves. The bathroom is immediately here. Three shelves, glasses, sink. You don't have these small bottles anymore. We have the one that gets refilled by your steward. And then the shower is here. There's 3 of us, so we had the bunk made up. It does get put away at night, but we preferred it to be left down, that was down the whole time. The beds can be put together to make a double or a twin, and then each bedside table has got 2 little drawers. You've got your information packs here, you've got your phone, and then you have a cupboard here which has the hairdryer. That is 2 sockets. Great, so you've got that one that's always on, and then this one. Then on the other side, little table, little bin, you have the kettle, glasses, tea and coffee. It's empty because we've used it all this morning. And then you drop down and you've got a little fridge, which has been fantastic and so useful. So that's that corner. Then you come to the balcony and we say hello to Malta, which is beautiful. And that's the room, B632 Barbados deck. And we've had a wonderful holiday, and I'm sure you will too.